Hello everyone, welcome to Vinoth tutorials. In the previous video, we have learned how to solve the system of linear equation. That is, first we have to form the linear equation. From the linear equation, we have to find coefficient, variables, constants, and with these value, the first step we have to form the augmented matrix. Then we have to change this augmented matrix to an upper triangular matrix. From that we have to calculate the rank. With the help of rank we can categorize the solution. In this video we will see a sample problem for unique solution. We have three equations. From this equation first we have to find the coefficient, variables and constant. Can you tell what will be the coefficient? The matrix A will be, you have to write the value of each variable. When you consider equation 1, it will be 1, 1, 1. Then equation 2, it is 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. Then equation 3, it is 2, 1, minus 1. So from the equation we have formed matrix A. The matrix A is coefficient. So we know how to find the coefficient. Then the constant here is 9, 52, 0. It is 3 cross 1 constant. Then variables. Here the variable x is nothing but x, y, z, that is 3 cross 1. We have to find these three unknown values. This x is nothing but n equal to 3. Totally 3 variables are 3 unknowns. Now first step, form augmented matrix A colon B. It can be written like this. So which is equal to this matrix, you have to write it down 1, 1. So using above two values we formed the augmented matrix. Now what should be our aim? We have to convert these value to 0, that is upper triangular matrix. We have to apply row elementary operation. Okay, so the first step is we have to change this particular 2 to 0. Can you tell the condition for that? If you compare this with the first row, then it will be R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. This time I will directly write the calculated number. If you apply this particular rule, then what will be the matrix? Just put approximation. The first row remains the same. You are going to apply in the second row. So 2 minus 2, 5 minus 2, then 7 minus 2, then 52 minus 2 into 9. Like this you have to apply 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 2 5, then 52 minus 2 into 9, it will be 34. And third row remains the same. The next step we have to convert this 2 to 0. For that the rule will be R3 implies R3 minus 2 into R1. So it will be like 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 2, 0 minus 2 into 9. You have to calculate. So the first row and second row remains the same. Just write down that first. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2, it will be minus 3. Then 0 minus 2 into 9, minus 18. That's the equation. Now our step is to convert this minus 1 to 0. The rule will be R3 implies. So I can compare this with row 2. In row 3 minus 1, row 2 it is plus 3. I want to change this to plus 1 means I will multiply by 1 by 3. The rule will be R3 minus R2 by 3. This one. You have to apply this rule in third row. So the first and second row remains the same. Now you have to apply this particular rule to the third row. So it will be 0, it will be 0, then minus 3 minus 5 by 3, which is minus 4 by 3, then minus 18 minus 34 by 3. This will be equal to minus 20 by 3. So we have formed the upper triangular matrix, and very important, this format is also called as row echelon form. From this, what is the conclusion we can write? So when you consider this matrix, so the rank of A is number of non-zero rows 3. When you consider a full matrix, that is augmented matrix, the number of non-zero rows is 3. And we already know how many unknowns? 3 unknowns. So as per the condition, the rank of A equal to rank of augmented matrix equal to number of unknown equal to 3. All the values are same, which implies it is consistent and has unique solution. Now we have to find the x, y, z value. So here, take this last row. We know this is x, y, z and p. The last term is z. So what you can write? Minus 4 by 3 z equal to minus 20 by 3, because these two are 0, 0. So from here, z equal to minus 20 by 3 into minus 3 by 4. You're taking this side, z will be equal to 5. So we found the value of z considering row 3. Now considering row 2. When you consider row 2, it is 3y plus 5z equal to 34. 3y plus 5z equal to 34. And we already know the value of z. So 3y plus 5 into, substitute z value, 5 into 5 equal to 34. 3y will be equal to 34 minus 25. 3y, 9, y equal to 9 by 3, which is equal to 3. So y value is 3. Now considering row 1. What will be the row 1? X plus y plus z equal to 9. So write down the equation, x plus y plus z equal to 9. X and y value we know 3, z value we know 5 equal to 9, x equal to 9 minus 8. The value of x is 1. So finally we found all the 3 unknowns. A short recap: from the system of linear equation we have to write the coefficient, constant and variables. Using these 3 values form the augmented matrix, that is A colon B. Then apply the row elementary operation to form the upper triangular matrix, that is you have to make these 3 element as 0. Apply the condition. Once you derive this result, you have to calculate the rank of the matrix A, rank of augmented matrix. If the rank of A, the rank of augmented matrix is equal to the number of unknowns, then we say that as consistent and a unique solution. Then by considering the third row, minus 4 by 3 z equal to minus 20 by 3. From this you can find z value. By considering the second row, you can form the equation and find the y value. By considering the first row, You can substitute y and z and find the x value. Hope you understood how to solve the system of linear equation for unique solution. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.